devastated and heartbroken. Apple CEO Tim Cook on Kobe's demise. Apple CEO Tim Cook tweeted, "Devastated and heartbroken by the passing of Kobe Bryant. I admired his athletic prowess from afar and his humanity close up. He was an original." The NBA legend and his 13-year-old daughter Gianna were among the 9 people who died in a helicopter crash on Sunday. The helicopter crashed into a hillside in Calabasas, California. Harvard professor Clayton, who coined the term disruptive innovation, dies at 67. Clayton Christensen, a longtime Harvard Business School professor who authored the best-selling business book, The Innovator's Dilemma, passed away aged 67 in Boston. Known for Christensen's theory, he coined the buzzword disruptive innovation. The theory states that newer ideas in business and technology could create new markets and disrupt older ones, displacing established market leaders. YouTube moderators told to sign contract acknowledging risk of PTSD. Reports some YouTube content moderators are being forced to sign contracts acknowledging the job could impact their mental health and cause post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. The Verge reported. The document was given to workers after a report highlighted the mental toll that moderators face after reviewing disturbing content. 2 workers alleged they were told to either sign or face termination. Robot used by doctors to treat first known coronavirus patient in U.S. Doctors are using a robot to treat the first person known to have been admitted to hospital in the U.S. with a new strain of coronavirus. Equipped with a stethoscope, the robot is helping doctors take the man's vitals and communicate with him through a screen. The man was in stable condition and remains in isolation, doctors said.